Hey everybody, welcome to this new episode, and let's go ahead and get started. Okie dokie. So now let's go ahead and Control S and save, and then we're gonna come here to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, and search for A.N. We want to make sure that Ant Landscape is selected, and we'll come here to Shaded View, and then grab Ant Landscape and go to Landscape. And whatever it creates for me, I think should be good. Let me look. Yeah. So it kind of creates a mountainous region. We can kind of make that like the surface of the moon. So let me scale that up quite a bit. And actually I'm going to change this view to my 3D viewport and hit 0 to put my camera in there. And then we'll hit G and Y. Pull that back, and G and X, and G and Z. Scale that up even more. G and Z. Actually, if we rotate it in the Y, kind of like that. Okay. So I'll hit Control S. Now if we go back into the Look Dev, we can hit Tab and U and Smart UV Project. Great, just to make sure it has some UVs. Keep saving, Control S, always save. And then we can go to the shader editor and add in a new. And then we'll hit Shift A, search, and add in a noise. So now since we have the Node Wrangler add-on enabled, we'll hit Control Shift and click Node, and it creates a viewer node, and then we can just increase the scale. And what I'm looking for is something that looks like gravel. So keep inputting the scale. I can even push 0, maybe 500. Alright, and then we can hit Control S and save, Shift A, add in a ramp, just change that to black and white, and then go ahead and bring these two nodes closer together. If I can select it. Alright, and then also grab this black node here and bring it up. We don't need all the way black. Then we can hit Shift A and add in a bump node. So I'll stick the bump into the normal, and then I'll stick the color here into the base color of my principled BDSF, and then I'll stick the color into the height, and then I'll take the strength maybe down to 0.5, and then I'll hit Control Shift and click on this principled BDSF. And now, if I hit Control S, yeah, that doesn't look too terrible. It looks kind of like something, I guess. A little bit otherworldly. What if we took this up to 1,000? That looks better. The only other thing that I would say is take this white down and add in a little bit of blue. Too much blue. Thanks for watching this episode. If you liked what you learned here, please like and subscribe the video. Leave a comment if you have something to say, and I will see you next time.